guys. So I took a trip to Bahamas. Yeah, nice shit. Yeah. Ignore it. Stop. Hey guys, and wagwan. You like that intro? Yeah, it's something stupid. Today I'm playing GeoGuessr. Basically, it's a website where you get dropped on a random place on Earth, and you can move about and view things. And the aim of the game is try to guess where you are as close as possible. So yeah, let's start. Okay, first place. Okay, I'm getting Caribbean vibes from this immediately. Immediately Caribbean vibes. Yeah, you see the ocean. But we're in the Caribbean. I probably just go. Let me see how the people. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely getting Caribbean. Let's go down the street some more. Zoom. Okay, I guess that this is the card. That's all we can do. Okay, not much to work with. Let's go back the other way. Let me guess, I can't go down. Wait. Is that a sign? Yeah, I see a sign. Something enterprise. So it's English. Okay. This is somewhere Caribbean for sure. We're in the Caribbean. I don't know. I might just put it Jamaica and see. Like some. Wait, let me see if this is something. UW. Yeah, what is it? Yeah, if the quality kind of better. Zoo. Okay, so that's the end of the road. What are you guys thinking? I'm thinking, as I said, Caribbean. Or it could be South America. No, it was English for some reason. Or Cayman. No. Okay. I don't think so. I don't think it's Jamaica. I just can drop it like Dominica. Yeah. No, St. Lucia. Nah, it's not too big to be St. Lucia. You know why I said that? Dominica, and yes. It was actually St. Lucia. Yo, that's not bad for my first try. Okay, I'm getting on North America, St. David's in it. Yeah, I'm definitely North America. Let's go down the road. What I think? Hummingbird Drive. Where in North America is? I'm thinking America for this one. What does that say? Greasy Weasel. And there's no postal. Okay. I'm thinking like North Carolina.
Massachusetts. North
Carolina.
Correct here. There's a number, but that's not much though. Nothing on the top.
Okay, that's it. end of the line. This probably has something, but not gonna be able to see that. Probably just guess North Carolina. Go back to the start. Can I go the other way? Let's zoom.
Okay, what does it say?
The road. Dark point. Okay. Like I do not know how America like roads work. South Carolina, I'm just going to put it right there and make it. Okay. It was. Where is that? Nova Scotia. That was Canada. Next. Yeah. Yo, this look like Jack. Yo, why is this looking like Jack? Is it me or heavy? Yeah, nobody like no. Yo, I'm pretty sure somebody out there. Oh, I know this place. I live right there. Like,
That's the one.
return to start cars. That's someone backyard. What is this? Barbados? Organic. I'm going Barbados. Yeah, Barbados. Finally, right there. Oh, yo, I was wrong. That was free. Yo, moving on. This okay. That's all we have. That's all. I'm immediately thinking Hawaii. I don't know. Does this look like? That's legit all we have to work with. I'm just gonna guess Hawaii. Where is that? Honolulu. It doesn't matter. Okay, final guess. See if I can get over 10,000. My score right now is 9,000. So yeah, final guess. You know what? That's not bad. Okay, so I got 11,000. I got over 10,000, and for some of them, couldn't even guess. That's not bad, honestly. Except this one, I got 5 for that one. But if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I try to make video every other week or every week. So yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe.